वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्न
ऐ उन्न
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यमोङ्गणनम्
न्यमगणनम्
जभै
जभै
घटधश्
घटधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफचटथ चटतौ
खफचटथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
सहस्र
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
यशानां तालु
इचूयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लितुलसानां दन्ताः
उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उ- उपद्मानीयानाम्
उपद्मानीयानाम्
ओष्ठौ
ओष्टौ
यमगणनानाम् नासिका च
न्यमगणनानां
नानानां
नासिका
नासिका
च
च
वेदयितोः कण्ठतालु
वेदैतो
वेदैतो
कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ
कण्ठ
ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य
बकारस्य
दन्त
दन्त
ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानस्वारस्य
नासिका
नासिका
अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
रामो
राजमणिः सदा
राजमणिः सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे।
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहतनिशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै
रामाय तस्मै
नमः।
नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति
नास्ति
परायणं परतरं
परायणं परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे
रामे
चित्तलयः सदा
चित्तलयः सदा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
भो
भो
राम
राम
मामुद्धर।
मामुदर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः
श्रीराम
शरणं
शरणं
समस्तजगतां
समस्तजगतां
रामं
रामं
विना का
विना का
गतिः।
गतिः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण
मेन
प्रतिहन्यते
प्रतिहन्यते
कलिमलं
कलिमलं
रामाय कार्यं
रामाय
नमः।
कार्यं नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं
रामस्य
वशे।
सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे
रामे
भक्तिरखण्डिता
भक्तिरखण्डिता
भवतु
भवतु
मे
मे
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे
रामो मे
विहितं
विहितं
करोतु
करोतु
सततं
सततं
रामं
रामं
भजे
भजे
सादरम्।
सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं
रामेणापहतं
समस्तदुरितं
समस्तदुरितं
रामाय
रामाय
दत्तं
दत्तं
धनम्।
धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसम् रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया ओ राम मां पालय
रामे
मे
रञ्जतु मे मनः
रञ्जतु मे
करुणया ओ
करुणया
राम मां पालय।
राम मां पालय
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे विद्या विद्या सातूपसर्गयोः
Sattvasankayoः
नित्या समासेवाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
समासेवाक्येतु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
सामपेक्षते
सु औजस्
सुऔजस्
औजस्
औक्षस्
औषस्
औषस्
ताभ्यां विस्
ताभ्यां विस्
ताभ्यां
ज्ञेभ्यां व्यस्
ङेभ्यां व्यस्
यस्
ङसीभ्यां व्यस्
सिभ्यां व्यस्
यस् ओस् आम्
न्यस् ओस्
यस्
आम्
ओस् आम्
ङि ओस् सुप्
ङि ओस् सु
ओसु
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
ओजस्
What are these sarvanamasthana pratyas?
For masculine and feminine,
सुबन्त
put.
For pullinga and strilinga.
yes
For pulling.
What is the answer?
For pullinga and strilinga, the first 5 positions, 1, 1 to 2, 2, put.
Su aujas out. And for napumsakalinga,
shash
1 and 2,
and yeah
she.
what is the name of the pratipadikam when followed by ajadi asarvanamasthana pratyaya?
padasanga and bhasanga
Basanya, right? By haladi, when followed by haladi asarvanamasthana pratyaya,
padasangya
padasanya.
no yeah
Yes, padasanya only.
yes
We have seen the derivations of some shabdas, right?
yes
Like what shabda? Like marut, etc. Like marut and some jakaranta shabda,
yes
like I think we must be having this document. Pratyaha is pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaha. That which is ordained is called pratyaya. So it could be supratyaya or ting pratyaya. Though there are many important pratyas, there are 2 important pratyas. One is supratyaya, other one is ting pratyaya. Supratyas make a pratipadikam into a padam, ting pratyas into a kriya padam. Tingantam padam, tingantam, kriya padam. Subantam padam, subantam. For pullinga and strilinga, su, aujas, out are the sarvanamasthana pratyaha. Sanya. Sarvanama is nothing to do with the pronoun. It's just a name given to this pratyaya. For pullinga and strilinga, sambodhana also it's same. Su, aujas. Sambodhana also sarvanamasthana. And for the 8th one, there is a name. What is that name for 8th one?
You told.
Okay, I think I have not told in this class. Sambuddhi. It's called Sambuddhi. Sambodhana. Pratama, Ekavachanam is called Sambuddhi. You can note Sambuddhi. Sambuddhi is a Sanya. And for Napumsakalinga, again, just anshas, of course, Sambodhana, 8-3. That is also Sranamastanam. Na Sranamastanam, Asarvanamastanam, Nanch Tatpurusha, Nanch compound. Those which are not Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, they are Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. The Anga, that is a Pratipadikam, gets a Sanya Bha. Bha is just a kritrima sanya. Kritrima is something which is artificially created. Doesn't have any meaning. So just a name, Bha. That's it. Doesn't have any meaning. Some name to be given. And Pranina Maharshi chooses to call as Bha. So the Anga, that is Pratipadikam, get to Sanya Bha when followed by
Ajadi.
Ajadi
Asarvana.
Asranamastana Prata. Actually, it's not only Ajadi. Since we are discussing only Supratya, therefore I made it Ajadi. Actually, it is Yachi, Yakara, followed by Yakara or Ach. That's a rule. Yachi. Yachi Bham is a sutra. Is there any Yakara the Pratyaya in the Supratya?
No.
There are no Yakara the Pratyayas.
Hmm.
Therefore, therefore, here that Yakara is not required. That's why I have not mentioned here. By Sutram, it is Yakaradi Ajadi Pratyayas. But Ajadi is it's enough for us because Supratya we don't have Yakaradi. Right? Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Angasya, that is Pratipadikasya Bhasanya Bhavati. You can remember this. Then what are the Ajadi Asranavastana Pratyaya? Starting from here, that is 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 7, 1, 7, 2. The same Pratipadikam gets a Sanya Padam and followed by
Aladi.
Aladi
Asarvana.
Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. Aladi is not mentioned in the sutra, other than Ajadi. Means then it has to be Aladi only. What else? So we have Bhyam Bis, Yes, Su. These. So here, when followed by these pratyas, then we need to remember our Sandhi rules, right? Jasha Sandhi, 1, 2, all those things.
Yes.
So you can see the application of Sandhi in the derivation of the Shabdas. So therefore, you can see Su out, just out. And Bhyam Bis, Yes, Ita, and Su, Padasingha. So you can see the marking. Su out, just out. These are the Asranavastana Pratyaya, the rest are Asranavastana Pratyaya, and that also can be classified into Ajadi, Aladi. If it is Ajadi, then it is Bas Sanya, Aladi, Pada Sanya. Similarly for Napumsakalinga. Fine. This Sanya you can remember. What is Apruktam? Yes, another thing. Yes. What is Apruktam? Here itself given. One letter Pratyaya is called Apruktam. Ekal Pratyaya Apruktam. What is Ekal? Eka means one. Al, what is Al? Letter. Al stands for the Pratyahara. How many letters are there in the Al Pratyahara?
How many
All the
words?
letters of the
Yeah.
language.
Yeah. Vowel and all.
So it
Yeah.
means 13 plus 33. 46. 46 are there. All the letters of the language. So Ekal Pratyaya. Is there any Ekal Pratyaya in the Supratyayas?
No.
Not there.
After removing its letters, right, Guruji?
Of course.
Okay.
Content only you have to take.
Then there are many. So, ow, just, no, not just. So, ow,
Just.
Su. Su, Au, yes. There are many Ekal Pratyayas. Su is important for us. So important for us because we will see there is some rule connected to that. Su is there, Au is there, Au and out also. All these are Ekal Pratyaya. But Su is something important because we have a rule that I think I mentioned later. Similarly, lang lakara, takara tam an, sakara tam ta, right? Those are also ekal pratyaya only.
Hmm.
Whereas the lat lakara, it is ti. Ti taha, not ekal. Ti taha anti, si taha
Hmm.
tha. Whereas lang form, takara, sakara, all these are ekal pratyaya. Apruktam. So you can remember the name. Again, it's a sanya. Apruktam. Okay. Now, this is a rule. This is why apruktam, the sanya is introduced. If the apruktam is a hal, it's a consonant. So, au and out are ach. No, they are ach. But if apruktam is a hal, it's a consonant, then that apruktam will become lopaha when it follows a hal. You understand? It's a rule. Al niyabhyam dirgha satisya pruktam al. 6168. Important rule. We don't have to know the sutram now, but you can know this rule. The sutram has got many other things. All things put together given, but what we require is only this. If the aprukta meaning ekal pratyaya, if the ekal pratyaya is a consonant, then that ekal pratyaya, when following the halanta pratipadikam, understand? Following hal means what? Following halanta pratipadikam, it will become lopaha. That is why marut plus su, what do you get? Marut, what happened to su? Which is aprukta ekal pratyaya, sakara. Following marut. Marut is takaranta, alanta pratipadikam. Su pratyasya lopaha bhavati. Right? Remember?
Yes.
Did I teach you all these things, Mahita?
Yes, Guruji.
So this is important. That is why aprukta is introduced. Out and out also aprukta, but it is not required for us now. So that application you don't see here. Main application is this sutra is, if aprukta is a al, then aprukta al pratyaya pare. Aprukta al pratyasya, ekal, aprukta al is ekal pratyaya. Tasya lopah bhavati, when following alanta pratipadikam. Therefore only you have marut. Now what is this marut? It's a padam.
Padam.
Suptingantam padam, that's a sutra, right? You know it. I've mentioned many times. 1414. First chapter, 4th section, 14th sutra. So marut is a padam. Now once it's a padam, we can apply all the rules. Marut now is a padam. Even though the pratyaya sakara has become lopaha, the additional supratyaya does the job of converting a pratipadika into a padam. So once it has become a padam, then we can apply what rule? Just rule.
Just one.
So here I will write, this is a padasanya. Gives the padasanya, and this is just
one.
Just one. What is just one? Just recall the rule.
Padanta chal will be replaced by corresponding just letter.
Just letter. Then what about this next one?
Nothing. Marut.
What is it, Mahita?
When
Chat one.
I think Padanta jhal will be converted to khar optionally.
At avasanam.
Yeah, avasana is the right word. But anyway, padam also you can say. Avasana means when followed, when at the end, or when followed by a pause. I mean, nothing follows. So, right, either there is no sandhi or that is the end of the sentence. Okay, so it becomes, that is Chartvam.
Chatvam 1.
Chartvam 2.
Chatvam 2, yes.
Chartam says jal will be replaced by char. What jar? Jar, that is jal at the and followed by avasana. It means it has to be
Avasana.
at the end of the padam only. Right. It is replaced. Marut plus au. Here this ekal parita doesn't have any significance. Nothing happen, no rules. Just need to add. Therefore you get marut. Becomes marut au. And similarly marut plus. You're going to see some more Sandhi rules. That's why just making a recall. Marut plus jas. Yeah, jakara is Ita letter. I think how it is it, I have not told you in this class. But anyway, you know, you can note jakara is Ita letter. But I must have told you, Magita, what is that?
Yes, Guruji, you told me.
What?
Pratyaya Adi Chutu.
Yes. So I tell again, Deepika, you can, and others. This is a pratyaya, right? Pratyaya se adihi, it is chavarga or tavarga letter, that is, that with the sanya it, that it will become lopaha, the rule.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, if you can't remember, it's okay. At least us, you can remember us. Now marut plus us. Okay, that's what I have here. I have written one marut plus us. This sutra, leave it. Now marut plus us becomes a padam. Marutas is a padam. Then sakara at the end of the
Padam will become room.
will be replaced by rutvam. This is an apavada to padanta sakara. Padanta sakara is jal. Is it not a jal letter? Why it is not replaced by corresponding just letter takara? Dakara, sorry. Yeah, corresponding just letter is dakara.
Because
Should be replaced.
No,
Apavada.
it is apavada. Yeah.
So important. Remember, apavada always overrule. Apavada takes precedence over general rule. Otherwise, you only apply apavada. You can never apply. Never find scope for application. So note, this ruttam is apavada to justam. Justam 1. We can note, ruttam is apavada to justam. Justam is overruled. Justam, which is a general rule, is overruled by the apavada. Therefore, not applied. And this is 8 to 39. It is justam 1. Then ru, the content of ru is repa. And repa will become
Visarga.
sarga, au. What's the rule?
Rifa followed by kar or at Ausana.
Very good. Yes. Becomes
it is
sarga. Followed by kar or avasana becomes visarga. Kar avasana yoga visarjaniya sutram. 8350. Anyway, sutram, you don't worry. But you know visarga adesha. You know the list of rules, the sequence of rules to be applied for Sandhi.
Yes.
So we are going to see some more now. This is a sequence. Kuttam, dattam, jashtam, ruttam, visargadesha, shattam, etc. Right? Remember the sequence. This sequence you need to get used to.
Yes.
Then only you know when to apply. Marut plus becomes marutam. Just addition. Nothing happens here. Marut plus out. Takara is Ita letter. Marutau. Simple. Right? Marut plus shas. Now, content of shas is as. Therefore, Marut will enjoy what sanya? Ba sanya. But here the ba has got no significance here. I mean, no big implication. Just add. That's it. So you get Marutas then Rutva Adesha, then Visarga Adesha. So you get the same. But you'll see the application of ba, implication of ba is some places, not here. Here there's no implication. Similarly, Marut plus a. Ta is, remember the Deepika just now I told. Pratyasya adihi, adi letter, if it is chavarga, tavarga, then it is a ita letter. So here takara is the ita letter. The content is
Maruta.
Only. Maruta. Maruta is a tritiya, ekavachanam padam. Marut plus bhyam. Bhyam haladi asarvanavasthana pratyaya follows. Therefore, this enjoys what sanya? Padasanya. Because this is padam, can we use like this in the language? You cannot use it. Marut is a padam only when followed by bhyam. So we cannot use marut then without doing any sandhi like this. We cannot use in the language. Right? And moreover, when it comes to, remember, Tripadi, that 8-2, we have to apply all the rules till the end of the Ashtadhyaya. I told this class also. All the rules till the end of the Ashtadhyaya should be applied. Then whatever the final form we get, that is final. Till the last rule of the last section. So we cannot stop halfway here. This gets Padasanya. After that, there are other rules waiting to be applied. You cannot say this is Padam. So therefore, I just in the language, Apadam na prayunjita, but this is a Padam I will use. You cannot just Marut and then hyphen Bhyam. You cannot use like that. You have to process it further. So therefore, Marut plus Bhyam, then becomes the rest set of just one will apply. It is waiting. You cannot skip this. It has to be applied. Then after that, Marut. No. After that, what? It is. How can you apply Chartvam? Chartvam is Avasana. Here, that's what I say. This is not Avasana.
Yeah, it is not Avasana. Followed by Kar.
So till Avasana is where you have to apply.
Okay.
No, Avasana means what? There is a pause. Either there is pause or it is at the end of the sentence. End of the sentence, there has to be a pause, right?
Yes.
A pause could be either because of no sandhi. There is sufficient matra, that is matra, sufficient matra is not there to cause sandhi. When sandhi will happen? When the matra between the time gap between the two padams is less than half a matra, then sandhi will happen. If it is more than half a matra,
then sandhi will not happen.
Suppose when you speak, aham, apanim, you pause between the words, then you cannot do sandhi. And if the matra is more than half a matra, then you cannot do sandhi. So therefore, sandhi happens when the matra is less than half a matra.
Less than half.
When it's more than half a matra, then it is avasana only. Even though the next word follows, matra is more. The gap, the space in terms of time, is more. Therefore, sandhi cannot happen. That's called avasana. Therefore, till avasana is there, you have to apply the rules. So just one is applied. Then we need to apply not chartam. There is no avasana here, and there is no kar letter also following. That is why we have justum too. How beautifully Vani Maharshi has made this sutra. Does the same job of replacing jal by jash. But he has just placed it before chartam in the sequence of rules. So you have to apply this and then only chartam if it is applicable. Chartam will apply for the whole padam, provided the end letter is jal letter. Here it is not. Therefore, there is no chartam application at all. Understand?
Right.
Similarly, marut plus bis, same thing here also. Marut plus bis, followed by Haladi Asronamasana Pratyaya, therefore gets Padasanya.
Mm.
Then followed, then Marut plus Bis, Justum 1. The same thing applies. Justum 1. Then Marut Bis. Applying this Marut Bis, it becomes, the Sandhi is applied. Now Padanta Sakara. Padanta Sakara, Pada Tapavada is,
Rutva.
you see here, Justum is applied within, here, this is a Padam, and this is a Pratyaya. So here Justum is applied, and for the whole as a Padam. That also Padam only, right? And Padanta Jal, for that
Jal.
Rutva.
Hmm.
Understand?
Yes.
So Justum 1 also applies because condition, the rule is Padanta Jal. So the whole thing is a Padam, and this is also a Padam. So this Padam is applicable. Here it is applicable, but when it comes to the whole, there it is Sakara, therefore Apavada works in Ruttam, not Justum. Then Ru is replaced by
Visarga. Refa Visarga.
Ru is nothing but Repa only. Visarga Deshaha. When followed by Kara Ravasana. Okay. When followed by Kara Ravasana. Then after that,
Justum 2.
Justum 2. Even though the impact of Justum 2 is not there, but still need to be applied. Because you have to follow the sequence. This is sequence, this number. This is 8-2, this is 8-4. This is Justum 2. So you need to apply. That's why I ask you to be familiar with the sequence of application of those rules, this list of rules. Need to be. Okay. The same Marut Shabda later when we learn Sutra, again we will see. Though I had taught you already this, just as a revision to Sandhi. Now we will see some Sandhi rules, new rules also, which I have not taught in this class. Then Marut plus A, Nye. This also, Nakara is Ita letter. By what rule? Naita. No. It is not Shu, just Chavarga.
Oh, sorry. No. Which Varga?
Chavarga. You're asking me which Varga is that? Okay, Deepika ji, I have not taught you, I can note. Lakara or Shakara or Kavarga, right? At the beginning of the Pratyaya, get the Sanya It. You can note, I'm not writing here.
Pratyaya.
Previously I told Shavarga and Tavarga. Shavarga has got 5 letters. Cha, cha, ja, ja, yeah. Then Tavarga is ta, ta, da, da, na. So Shavarga, Tavarga, any of these letters. Now, in addition to that, Lakara, Shakara, Talave Shakara, Sha, Shankara Sha, or Kavarga, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, no. Any of these letters. You can note, I'm not the condition is there, but anyway, the conditions are not required for us. It should not be a Tadita. Okay. It's okay, not required. Anyway, we don't know what Tadita, then what's the point in it? So you can note. So 10 plus 10, 10 plus 5 plus these 17 letters as of now. At the beginning of the Pratyaya, Keta Sanya It, therefore Lopaha. You can note this. Okay. Therefore, Ye, Marute, Marute is a Padam. Right? Please note it. I'm not.
Yes.
going to repeat this again
Yes.
because already I have told this, but not this the specific rules. Content I already know. Okay. Similarly, Marut plus Bhyam, Marut Bhyam. Marut plus Byas, the same thing. Here also, Marut gets a Padasanya. And after that, applying just on
Just
one.
one.
Then Apavada to just on is Rutvam. Rutva Desha to Padanta Sakara. Then
Visarga.
Repa gets Visarga Desha. Then just on two. Here, Marut plus Gasi, what is the content? Just now I told Nakara is ether letter. Therefore, us and E is also ether letter. Content is us only. Anga enjoy Sanya.
Padasanya.
Padasanya.
No, this will be person. Yes.
But here Bha has got no significance. Marutas is a Padam. Padanta Sakara, then Rutvam, then Sargadesha. Then Bhyam already we saw. Marut plus Byas, that also already we saw. Marut plus Byas, same thing. Marut plus Ngas, that also already we saw. Where 5-1 is same. Content is us alone. The same thing here also. Content is us. The 5-1, 6-1, same. Marut plus O's. O's. Anga enjoy Sanya, Bha Sanya, it's not Padam. Therefore, you need not worry. Marut O's is a Padam. Padanta Sakara replaced by Rut. Ru, Rutvam. Ru will be replaced by Visarga Desha. Then here is there is no kar following but avasana. Marutoho. Sound to also be same. Then Marut plus Am is no change happens. Marutam just addition. Marut plus Ni. Ni, Nakara, the first letter. Therefore it's Sanya. Lopa Bhavati. Maruti. Padasanya. Marut plus Os. Already we did. Marutos. 7-2. Now 7-3. Aladi Asranamastana. Therefore, Anga enjoy Sanya. Anga, which is a Pratipadikam, enjoy the Sanya Padam. Technical Padam. Now, Padam, Padanta Jal, for Padanta Jal, therefore you can apply just one. Just on one. Padanta Jal replaced by Jash. After that, you can apply.
So is car. So Chartvam.
Chartam.
2.
Chartam 2 is followed by Avasana. Here followed by Kar. Karavasana, you Karicha. Then the whole thing is a Padam, of course. Marutsu. This 8-1. 8-1 soon. The same thing here. So soon becomes Sakara. Sakara followed. It's the Pratyaya Ekal Pratyaya following this. Therefore, what will happen? This becomes Lopaha.
Lopaha.
And Marut is a Padam, then just
one.
And just 2. So remember that Apratyaya Ekal Pratyaya when fall Hal. Al Aprakta Apraktam Al when followed by when it follows the Alanta Pratipadikam, then what will happen? That Apratyaya Ekal Pratyaya becomes Lopaha. You can see the application in 1-1 as well as in 8-1. Then 8-2, 8-3, same as 1-2 and 3.
Visarga.
Okay. Right. This is just to recall what we have said now. Going further. This is Marut Shabda. So the entire Marut Shabda now you know. Let us see the sutra. Sorry, let us see not sutra. Let us see the some Sandhi rules. Padartha Sakara becoming Ru, we know.
Ru.
Then Repa will become Visarga. Visarga when followed by Kakara, Khakara, Pakara, Pakara, then what will happen to Visarga?
Or the Visarga it will become.
When Visarga followed by Kar, except this, the Visarga will be replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
When followed by Kakha, Papa, Ardha Visarga. Yes. I think this is the rule which we saw in the last class. When Visarga is followed by Kar, which in turn followed by Shar. We say this in Saṃskṛtam, Shar Pare Kar. Shar Pare Kar means, what does it mean?
Kar is followed by Shar. Visarga followed by Kar and then followed by Shar.
Yes. That Shar Pare Kar. You can note, Shar Pare is a compound. Shar Paraha Yasya Saha. Shar is that which follows what? Kar. Then Visarga will be replaced by, what's the rule, Mahita?
By Visarga only.
Visarga will be replaced by Visarga only.
Do
you remember the rule?
Yes.
Yes.
Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. Now, what will happen? Visarga followed by Shar.
It will be replaced by Sakara.
Visarga when followed by Shar. Shar is not a part of Kar?
Optional.
Yes or no?
Yes, it is.
Then when followed by Kar, Visarga must be replaced by Sakara. But that is given an optionality for Shar. Shar, which is a subset of Kar. Shar is a subset of Kar, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So that when Shar follows, then Visarga, which gets Sakara Adesha, that is Sakara is optional. Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, you have two forms. This is, but in the books, text and all, you will see with Visarga. In Gita, you will see in many places. In Gita, you will see like not only in Gita, all the texts you will see. When followed by Shar, Visarga will be there. But when we read, how do we read?
Ramashyete.
Yeah. So like even Om Shantish. We say no Shantish. How it becomes Shantish? Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. Visarga is there. But when we chant Shantish, same thing. Visarga is replaced by Sakara, and then after that, Stutvam. Right? Same thing. Therefore, this is Vashari. Vashari means optionally. Va is optional. When Shar follows, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is Va optional. So you have formed. But after replacing Visarga by Sakara, we should not stop here. We have to process further. Sakara will undergo further process. That is Shuttam. That already we have covered. Right? No. Fine. Now the next one. We saw Shar Pare Kar. Now Kar Pare Shar. What is Kar Pare Shar?
Shar is followed by Kar.
Shar is followed by Kar. So don't take literally the word like this, Kar and Shar. This is Saṃskṛta. It is a beautiful way of writing. Shar is the substantive, which is qualified by this adjective. Shar, Kar Paraha Shar. What type of Shar? It is Shar Kar paraha shar. Kar paraha. Paraha means uttaram, follows. Paraha, which follows. What follows? Kar follows. Kar follows what? Shar.
Shar.
So therefore, it is shar plus kar. Understand? This is a confusion. Generally, students will have. So please note this. Don't get confused. Kar pare shar means shar followed by kar. Right? Shar pare kar means kar followed by shar. Here kar pare shar means shar followed by kar.
Shar followed by kar.
So shar pare kar, kar followed by shar. Here kar pare shar, shar followed by kar. Okay. So when visarga is followed by shar, that is the rule is with regard to visarga. When visarga is followed by shar, shar followed by kar. Then what happened to visarga? Visarga can be dropped, becomes lopaha optionally. So rule. This is by a vartika. Karpare shariva visarga lopaha. Otherwise, what will happen? Lopaha by this vartikam. Visargasya lopaha bhavati vikalpena. By this vartika. Otherwise?
Visarga should have become Shakara. Sorry, Sakara. And then Chutvam. Maybe.
See the example. When visarga is followed by shar, which in turn followed by shar, kar, sorry. Then visarga is dropped optionally. So optionally is therefore it must have optional form, one more form, right? So what is that? This is it's an example. Vrikshaha plus Stavaraha. Vrikshaha visarga is there. Followed by Stavaraha. Stavaraha, the first letter is
Sakara.
Sakara. What Sakara? Sakara means the shar letter. You have to spot it as shar. It is a shar letter. Shar followed by
Shar followed by kar.
Sakara is a shar letter. Shar letter followed by kar letter. So visarga will drop optionally. Okay, if it's optionally dropped, then this is the rule. This is a form. Vriksha Stavaraha. Right? Suppose if it is not dropped, followed by what letter? Followed by shar letter.
Shar letter.
Yes or no? Sakara shar or not?
Yes.
Therefore, by the previous rule, Bashari 1836. So visarga can be that here itself we have got two forms. Either visarga can be replaced by sakara or not, optional. So one more form also will be there. So another form is, in fact, three forms we have, not two. By this rule, two forms. By the previous, by shar, when shar follows, we have two forms. Understand?
But Guruji, the previous rule is kar followed by shar.
Yeah.
But here it is shar followed by kar. So how can we apply Vashari here?
Sarga followed by what letter?
Shar.
Shar letter. Therefore Vashari. Sarga followed by shar letter. Therefore, Visarga can be replaced by Sakara optionally by the previous rule. So by the previous rule, we have two forms. Then this Vartikam says, if the shar is followed by kar, then Visarga can become Lopaha. Therefore, three forms. Why not? Understand?
Yes, correct.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
By Vashari, by the previous rule, we have got two forms. And by this Vartika says Shar followed by Kar. Then the Visarga can become Lopaha. Which are Visarga, which is retained optionally, that itself has got an option. So therefore, three forms will have,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, correct.
Another example. Kaha. Yeah. Okay. Plus Stapayati equal to. Tell me. How many forms will be there?
Three.
Tell. What are the forms?
Kasthapayati, kahasthapayati,
Stapayati. Then Kahastapayati.
kasthapayati.
Kastapayati. Three forms will be there. Kastapayati, Kastapayati, Kahastapayati. Right?
So you can pronounce any of this.
Yes. All are okay. But understand the rule properly.
Yes.
Shar followed by Kar, Kar followed by
Sure.
what will happen? Shar pare Kar, and this is Kar pare Shar. Okay. So in the list of rules, you need to insert where after this, where will you insert this? All this you need to get used to the application. Tell me. Visarga deshaha. Visarga comes in the place of Repa. And Repa will be replaced by Visarga. Repa will be replaced by Sakara, right? So I will call it a Sattum, or what should I say? Yeah, Visarga. But if I say Sattum, okay. Can use Sattum, nothing wrong. Visarga is replaced by Sakara. But we have another Sattam also later, it will come. Anyway, I just use the word Sattam. Sattam means Sakara is the Adesha. Okay. Then here we have these two rules. One is Kar pare Shar, then Shar pare Kar. Shar pare Kar pare Shar, what is the Adesha?
Kar pare Shar, Nitya Visarga.
Visarga Adesha. Visarga Adesha. Visargasya sthane Visarga bhavati. So we can say Visarga Adesha. Shar pare Kar here, Visarga lopaha vikalpa. So Visarga lopaha. The Sattam we can note. Sattam here referring to Visarga replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar. Because another place also Sattam will come.
Yes.
But anyway, here you can note like this. Okay. Then next one. When Visarga followed by, this we know. Pakara, Kakara, Chara. That will be replaced by Ardha Visarga. Right? Okay, that already we have seen. We don't have to repeat it. Then next one. This also we know. Visarga. No. That is room. Room preceded by a, followed by a. I hope all of you remember this.
Yes,
So
yes.
I don't repeat it. It's already covered before. Similarly, Ru preceded by Ha, followed by Hush. We have talked about this so many times.
Yeah.
So Utva Adesha, this is Apavada too. Okay, not Apavada. I mean, it can say not Apavada, but from Tripadi. Anyway, Tripadi and all, I'm not using Sutra format, it's okay. But if you see the number, you can understand. So far, number is 8283, but suddenly 61 comes. So it means from the Tripadi, we are going back to Sapada Saptadhyaya. That is the thing. Anyway, here the Sutra, anyway, we don't know. Therefore, it doesn't have much significance. Leave it. Then Visarga preceded, all these things we have seen.
Yes.
Visarga preceded by A, followed by Ach. Other than A, Visarga will be replaced by, not
Yakara.
Visarga really, it is Ru.
Room.
Okay. Because Visarga will come only when followed by Kara Avasana. So where is Visarga here? So for we need to understand wherever Visarga is I mentioned here, it is not really Visarga.
Room.
I think in my document, first document, it was very clear.
Yes, yes.
It is not Visarga. We need to take it as
Room.
Ru. Why Visarga? Because generally when we do exercises, Visarga will be there. So we think Visarga is replaced. Not really. So actually it's a lie. Visarga is never replaced by U. It's only Ru is replaced. So not Ruttam. You should make it as a Ru. Please note, this is a Ru. Ru alone is replaced by Ukara or Yakara, whatever it is. It's not Visarga. In the Antonandal, if you see Visarga will be replaced by U, they would say. No, you will see that the book. But it is not true. When Visarga will come? Visarga will come only when followed by Kara Ravasana. When it is followed by vowel, how Visarga will come? Right? So it's not true. But anyway. The exercise purposes, they will say like that. It's okay, nothing wrong. But we know we know how Visarga is formed. Visarga is born of Ru. Okay. Because we have the background, therefore I can say it is Ru. Okay, then Ru, Visarga will be replaced by Yakara when preceded by Ha, followed by H, other than A. Why other than A? Because followed by A, then what will happen? Become Ukara. No, Ukara will come. Apavada to that is Yakara. Then Yakara will drop optionally. When Yakara will drop optionally?
When it is followed by Hush.
Yeah, followed by among the Ash also. Ash is Ach plus Hush. Vowels plus soft consonants. When followed by vowel, it is dropped optionally. But when followed by consonant,
it is mandatory.
It is mandatory. It has to drop. Ali Sarvesham. Similarly, when Visarga is preceded by A, followed by Ash, here also same thing. Then it is replaced by Yakara, and Yakara is dropped when followed by H, optionally when followed by Hush, mandatorily. All these things already we have seen. I'm not repeating that here. Then Visarga of Yesha and Saha is not really Visarga. The Visarga is born in the place of Ru. And Ru will come in the place of Sakara. That Sakara is dropped. Because Su Lopasandi, in fact, it is. Can we see here? Etat Tadoho Su Lopo. Su Lopa means Su the Pratyaya. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Lopa Bhavati. When followed by a hal. Of what? Etat Tadoho. Etat Shabda and Tat Shabda. Etat Shabda and Tat Shabda. Su Lopa will happen when followed by hal. Okay. So, Su Lopa already happens for Strilinga Shabda. Etat. What is the Pratama Bhakti Strilinga?
Rama.
Other than Rama, I don't know. So we are talking about Etat.
Okay.
How you say Rama?
I mean, yeah. So only Mati. Only vowel.
I don't know what you understand. Bhagavan only knows. Okay. My question is different. What do you understand, Mohita?
Esha.
That's what I'm asking. Why Rama, Mati and all?
What she said?
Yesha. We are
Esha.
talking about Etat.
Yeah,
Then why
yeah.
Rama
Esha
comes,
and
Mati comes
Shaha.
there?
Yeah. Esha.
Strilinga form of Etat and Tad.
That is Esha. Esha and Shaha.
Su means Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. For Strilinga, it is Esha. Where is Visarga there? Visarga itself is
No.
dropped.
Yeah, it is.
Similarly, for Tat Shabda Sa, Visarga is not there. Napumsakalinga, don't say Palam, huh? Napumsakalinga is always Rama. Strilinga is always Rama. There's nothing other than Rama. Huh?
No.
What Shabda we are talking about? Reference to that we have to say.
Yes.
If you say Rama means we are still in the beginning class only. What is the Strilinga form? Shabda, Etad and Tad. Pratama Ekavachanam. Su is Pratama Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Tell me, what is the form?
Sateta. Strilinga San. No? It.
Okay, leave it, no problem. What is that form, Mahita?
To Napumsaka. Etat.
Etat
And Tad.
That's what I'm asking.
Satetaha,
from where it came? Satetaha Strilinga.
Strilinga, yeah.
We don't require Tetaha. Su only we are talking about. Su is what vibhakti, what vachanam? One.
Pratama. Yeah.
Su lopaha, Su stands for Pratama Ekavachanam. That Su lopaha will happen. Already it is not there. I mean, already lopa happens irrespective of whatever follows or not. By for Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. That's why Strilinga we have Yesha and Napumsakalinga we have Etat. So by Tat Shabda we have Sa and we have Tat. Therefore you have to filter it. It is not for Strilinga, not for Napumsakalinga. When Su will, for what Su will be there? Only for Pullinga alone Su is there in the form of Visarga, Yeshaha and Saha. That Su alone we are talking about here. Su of, even though Linga is not mentioned, after filtering it, you need to understand it is for Pullinga. Pullinga Etat Shabda, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, Tat Shabda, Pratama Ekavachanam. That Su will become Lopaha when followed by Hal. That is why examples you can see Eshaha, Asaha Gacchati, Saha plus Gacchati, Sa Gacchati. Similarly, Eshaha plus Gacchati, Esha Gacchati.
Esha.
Guruji, in the rule you said, you wrote here that Visarga is dropped when followed by any
That's
letter
okay.
except but in the Sutra it says Hali. So
this file, see how I taught all those things, a combination of how many rules.
okay.
The rule I have written, that's okay. But here I have taught combining with other rules for those non-Paninian students. You are asking this, the sutra is that don't see the sutra. This is for non-Paninian. We don't know Panini sutras. So for non-Paninian, so for them I made like this. Nothing wrong. See here. You just go here. Ramaha plus, okay. Let us take this. Ataha plus Gataha. What is the form? Ataha plus gataha. What happened to that ru, that is visarga here?
U. It
That
becomes
ru is replaced by
U.
ukara, right? So ru is preceded by what letter? Tell.
Akara.
Followed by what? Maita, you have to tell. What is that?
Khar.
Hal.
Huh? Not kar. Is that a kar letter?
1 second. Sorry.
It's not a hard consonant.
Soft consonant.
What is that? Followed by a consonant, not hard consonant, followed by hush, a consonant. So ru preceded by a and followed by a consonant. The ru is replaced by u, ukara. Is it not the same thing here also? Visarga is a saha plus gachati. Before visarga it was ru. Ru preceded by?
Preceded by a.
Followed by?
Hush.
Why not replace it ru by u? That is why except a I made it. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Do you follow, Vaita?
Yes, Guruji.
This is for non-Paninian students. Suppose if I, combining all the rules, if I give, it will be confusing. So I made like this. Specifically for Yesha and Saha, where Visarga is preceded by A, Saha, Visarga preceded by A, and followed by Gachati, consonants. Okay. Followed by consonant. Soft consonant. What about hard consonant? That's why I written followed by any letter, not only hard or soft, any letter. So saha gachati, sa gachati, eshaha gachati, esha gachati. Suppose followed by saha kadati. What will happen? Tell me. Saha plus kadati. Saha. Here it is a hard consonant. Tell me what will happen.
Sakara.
Visarga will drop.
Visarga must drop by the same rule. Su lopaha, because it is irrespective of whether it is, that's why any letter. What do you mean by any letter? Any letter except a. Right? No, you will not appreciate here. I'll give another example. If you have seen from the very beginning, the sequence you will have understood. But you have not been there, therefore you will not. That's why you asked this question. But don't see the sutra. This is not for the as per the sutra. Modified this for the sake of the non-Paninian students. Okay. Now I'm replacing this by. Please see. Saha. Saha atati. This is a counter example. Saha atati. Tell me what will happen here.
Guna Sandhi and Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Huh?
Guna Sandhi will happen.
So,
tell me what is the form?
Sotati.
Otati.
Sotati. Why? Because Visarga preceded
by a and followed by a.
Therefore,
Guna Sandhi will
Ukaradesha
happen and then Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Purva Rupa Sandhi. Therefore, Sotati. Right? Similarly here also. is Esha,
Eshotati.
Eshota.
Eshotati.
This is counterexample. Now,
If you take
yes,
agachati,
that's what I'm going to do. Agachati. Then what is the form? Saha plus agachati.
So agachati.
How you get sa agachati?
Because it is other than a.
What happened to
And
Visarga here? I mean, Ru.
it should become yakara.
Yakara. And then Yakara is low.
Ekara is dropped, right?
Hmm.
That's what dropping is important. Whether Visarga soon drops or Ekara drops. But what you get? It's
So
common, right? That's
agachati.
why I meant like
Yes.
this. This is the
Hmm.
reason. Esha agachati.
Hmm.
That's why I said this is for a non-Paninian. Even though Panini Maharshi says it's a specific rule, which is not in, which is separately given only for this. But having taught Visarga preceded by this, preceded by the, preceded by a, followed by a. So therefore here you can see preceded by a, followed by a. In Ekara Desha, Ekara is dropped,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So I combine these two. So therefore, Visarga of Yesha Hansaka is dropped. Whether it drops by becoming Yakara or just drops by this sutra. Dropping is common.
Hmm.
I made it is except this is my combination, okay? Not as per the sutra. Don't see the sutra. Sutra is only for me, not for you. This is if you learn Panini, then you will understand. Then this example will not be given. Panini means that we have, of course, we know what is Purva, what is Para, Apavada, all those things. But here it is not. So this is a counter example. Vitireka Udaharanam. But Vitireka Udaharanam not required. Anyway, I'm writing it. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Tadvaita. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
So Sotati and Yeshotati. But this rule already we have seen. Yes or no, Deepika?
Yes. Yes.
Before that, I taught you this rule.
Yes.
So combining all this.
Yes.
Okay, anyway. Now, next one. Where is the rule for this? Is there any rule? So all the possibilities. So if you have seen how I taught in the beginning, then you will understand. This question would not have come at all. Visarga will be will be replaced by repa when preceded by any vowel other than or followed by h or hash. Example: arihi plus gachati. To say that itself is not correct, but suppose we are joining arihi plus gachati. Arihi also will become arihi will be there, and visarga will be there when when followed by
Hush. Or
no. In arihi, the visarga will be there when.
Vastu.
when followed
Sorry, no. What am I saying?
by correct.
No. Don't
Not
think too
that.
much, huh? Just a simple question. In arihi, the visarga will be there when followed by kar or avasana, right?
Yes.
Here we are going to do sandhi. Therefore, avasana not possible. And gachati, it's not a kar letter. Therefore, what should be there in the place of visarga? It is ru only, right?
Yeah.
Ru alone becomes visarga, right? Ru is nothing repa. Repa. What I mean is repa. Repa means ru. Therefore, it is arir plus gachati. Any sandhi happens?
No.
No. That's what I have written here. But I have written as though that visarga is replaced by repa because we just joined like this. Visarga we see. Then how to teach them? You have to go one step back, right? For non-Paninian, we cannot teach like that. It's difficult. But anyway, you know it.
Mm.
Therefore, one step back. That's why I asked this very question. What was there in the place of Visarga? Visarga would have come only when followed by Kar or Avasana. When they are not there, Visarga will come. It is Harir Gachati. What Sandhi? No Sandhi. Just for Meranu. You understand?
Mm.
This is a lie actually. There is no Visarga at all. Okay. This is inferred. Any rule is there? What rule? No rule. Anyway, all these things we discussed before. I don't want to spend time on this. Let's move on. Similarly, this also we discussed elaborately before. I'm not going to do it. This discuss elaborately this. What will happen to Ru Repa and Sakara Stanika Repa, Avyaya Repa, all those things. And followed by Repa. Before we discuss this in detail, so I'm leaving it out. I'm not going to do it again. Then we'll move to Jasha Sandhi 1. Already we saw Jashtam, Padanta Jal. Then the Shutva Sandhi. All those things we saw elaborately. Then Shutvam. Arunasika Sandhi, Jasha Sandhi 2. No. And what is new here? Parasavana also I taught in the last class.
Yes.
Parasavana Sandhi,
Yes.
Latva.
Yes.
Then did I teach you this Jashtam?
Yes.
That also Chatva. Yeah.
Up to Chatva we have seen.
Okay. I think then this document, all the Sandhis we have seen. So this is summary of Sandhi rules 3. 3 means starting with 1, then 2, slowly the Sandhi rules will be inserted. So up to this, all the Sandhi rules must be clear for you.
Yes.
Okay, then some more Sandhi rules will be added. So the next document, next version, that is 4, you will see some more rules added. So every time when we had rules, again and again I am making a revision. So you should not forget whatever we discussed.
Yes.
All the rules must be now, must be very thorough.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, today whatever we have seen, remember that. Next class, we'll see. So if you know some more rules, then we can do other Pratipadikam declension. So with whatever you know now, we can decline as we saw Marut. Similarly, Jalamucha also we can do. Chakaranta Shabda, Chakaranta Shabda, all the Shabdas you can decline.
That we have done.
Chakaranta. We have done, yeah.
Yes,
we have done
yes.
before. I know we have done. Jalamuch and Chavarga. Oh, here we will see some exceptions. In Chavarga, the Chakara is okay, but in Chavarga there are some exceptions. The exceptions, for that we need to learn some of the rules that we will see. Okay, that will be in the next version. We'll stop here. Any doubts?
No.
Please go through the Sandhi rules again. Sandhis are important.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and did you do the translation?
Yes.
Okay, today we didn't have time to go through that. Maybe next class we'll do. Please do the translations.
Okay.
If you have not done. Did you do, Bhavita? No.
Oh, Guruji.
You must do translation. If you want to develop language, translation is important.
I'll do.
I think I sent you this document. Please see. I've done Deepika. All the story is there and some more sentences. Did you try, Deepika?
The stories, up to stories I have done. Some more sentences I will do it.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes.
From 49. Can do.
Yes.
I think I sent you this alone.
Yes, Guruji, it is
Yeah.
there.
Please do it.
Yes.
Next class we'll do it. Okay.
Yes.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद.